right, guys, here we go. All right, we are here riding Monster at Walygator Park.
Yay!
Let's do it. Oh yeah, here we go, guys. Woo! All right, so what country are we riding this in?
France.
And this is not the only country we've ridden this roller coaster in, is it?
We have also ridden it in Japan.
Yay! So this coaster was once Orochi out at Expo Land in Osaka, Japan. And then it's kind of been a Walygator for what, at least 10, 12 years. So here we are riding what is known as the Raptor clone at Walygator Park here in France. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, guys, we are here at the top of the lift hill. Oh, man. Here we go on Monster. Get ready, guys. Oh, yeah. Kick some sky. Oh, man. This is awesome. Oh, yeah. All I can hear is the beat everywhere. This ride has an awesome roar to it. Go, go, and no brakes at all. Oh, here we go. We're gonna do this dip and then a flip. Oh my God. Woo! Oh, yeah. Oh my God. That is intense. Woo! Oh man. I know the fanboys don't want to hear it, but Monster is way better than Raptor at Cedar Point. There's no brakes, it's also pink, and that makes it better than Raptor. All right, guys, here we are. We're riding the front seat of Anaconda here at Walygator Park. How's everyone doing back there? Who's ready to ride a Woody? All right. Oh, man. All right, we are cresting the lift. We are not cresting the lift yet. Oh, my God. We will soon be cresting the lift. My brain is still fried from actually my brain is still warped from the fact that it wasn't brutal. So, all right, guys, here we are at Walygator Park. We are on the lift hill of Anaconda. And we got this nice slowly getting to the top. I hear the roar of Monster in the background. Oh crap, guys, we are at the top. We are about to go over. Everybody, hang on to your asses, because you are going to need them. All right, here we go, guys. Oh my God! Woo! Oh man! Oh, this is actually pretty smooth. Whee! Oh, I can feel the wind. Woo! Oh man! Hooray! It's a nice, gentle wooden roller coaster. Woo! Oh! And look at that gigantic B&M right next to us. Oh man! Whee! How was that, everybody? Woo! Is everybody ready back there? Yeah! All right, we're gonna do the Comet. Let's go!
Yeah.
All right, how's it going, everybody? What park are we at?
Walygator.
That's right, we are at Walygator Park, and we're about to ride the Comet. And this is an older school Vekoma looping, corkscrewing, amazing piece of orange and blue metal hardware thing. Did I describe that perfectly?
That's what it is.
Yes, orange and blue metal hardware thing. All right, as we crest the top of this lift hill, get ready for it, guys. We are gonna go loop-de-looping and corkscrewing. Oh man, what is going to happen to us? Here we go! Oh man! Oh, we have loop-de-looped! Woo-hoo! Whee! Oh man, and now we are corkscrewing at Walygator! Woo! Oh man! And it is Helix time! Are you guys ready for the Helix? Helix! Woo! And up into the brakes. Oh man, and that actually ran pretty good, I want to say. Vekoma, old school Vekoma, running pretty good here at Walygator Park. How did you guys do back there? Yeah! Are you willing to ride again?
Yes!
I can't hear you. Are you willing to ride again?
Yeah!
I think we're gonna ride again. So we'll do that. We'll do that just one more time. Maybe two, possibly three. Oh man. I am not sorry, Cedar Point, but Monster kicks Raptor's ass. Sorry. Woo! Oh, wow. All right. Bye-bye. Yeah, this ride was definitely not as smooth as this the last time we rode this. That is definitely a complimentary compliment to Anaconda, because you're riding it now a third time, willingly.
Willingly. I was not
front seat of the Comet. Are we brave enough to do the back seat? How's it going up there? All right, we are currently riding the back of this Vekoma blue and orange metal piece of hardware that's gonna throw us down that drop through that loop. We did our ride in the front seat, so let's see how we do in the back. Oh crap! Oh man, I am not prepared for what is about to happen here. Oh crap! Oh my God! Oh man! Oh, that was smooth. What the hell? Oh, I just got hit by a tree. Oh my God! We are corkscrewing in the back. Wait, that sounded really bad. All right, I take that back. All right, guys, helixing. Woo! Oh man! And into the brakes. And I gotta be honest, that was all right. I was definitely expecting this Vekoma to be a little shaky, a little rattly, maybe beat the crap out of me a little bit. But the very front seat and the seat here in the back, that was okay. I could actually do this multiple times later.